welcome back to another video. So in this video, guys, I'll be showing you foods we eat here in Nigeria, Rivers State, Port Harcourt. You're going to see a lot of food prep. You're going to see the processes if possible, and you're going to see the end result of food we likely eat here in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. So the first thing today is I'm making fried rice, and here on the table we have a carrot, we have our baked beans. Here we use this one for salad. I'll come to the salad ingredients later. We have our sweet corn, we have our green beans, we have our green peas, which is not so green because I think it was over processed. It's actually the canned beans. So green peas, the canned peas. We have our green peppers, spring onions, mushrooms, and for our salad we have our carrots, we have our cabbage, we have our lettuce, we have our cucumber, we have our sweet corn. I'm using some mushroom for my salad as well, and we also have our baked beans. So I'm going to be adding some liver and some sausage to this as well. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on how I make my fried rice, let me know down in the comment section. I'll just start cooking and I'll show you the end product, hopefully. Okay, I hope you guys have fun. Fried rice is a staple food here in Nigeria, guys. Everybody eats fried rice and jollof rice, but for this video we're going to be talking about fried rice. So fried rice consists of a mixture of vegetables, whatever kind of vegetable you like, you can include it to make your fried rice, and people eat it here mostly on Sundays and during occasions. So here you have it, and it's mostly served with salad or coleslaw. This food is really appetizing. It looks really delicious, guys. So here I had it on Sunday. So here you can see me prepping the cowtail. This is called cowtail, or you can also call it oxtail. This is what we use to prepare soup like afang soup, okra soup, and all that. You're going to see that in this video as we go on. Just seasoning it with pepper. And here is beef, dried beef. We also use this to cook soup, we use it to cook, make anything, even stew, but this one, it was dried and I dried it in my oven. That's the fresh okra we're going to be using to make our soup. Here you can see it's called native soup. Native soup can be made in variety of ways depending on the part of Nigeria you go to. So for River State we use native soup, we use oziza and some other vegetables for our native soup. So the eastern people also use okazi. So here I just used okazi and ofo and seafood and also snail to make my native soup of. But if you want to see a more in-depth video on how I make this native soup, I think I have it up on my channel. If it's not there, just let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to make that as well. Guys, this food is really delicious. Native soup with seafood. You can see the fish, tilapia fish. Ooh, yummy. Hey guys, so we just finished the first set of soup, which is the native soup, and this native soup we're actually using okazi in place of oziza and seafood, orishi, everything inside. We're done with that one. We're going on to the next one, which is the okra soup, the seafood okra soup. That's the next one going down. Okay. Whew, this place smells good and hot. Let's move to the next one. So here we have our okra soup. It is already cooked. You can see how fresh the okra looks. That is how I enjoy my okra soup. So if you're new here in Nigeria and you haven't tasted okra soup, you're on a long thing. Okay, here in Nigeria we use it to cook soup, and this is a goosey soup, a very staple food as well here in Nigeria. We use it a lot to eat our fufu. Okay, we use all this soup, okra soup, native soup, to eat fufu. If you know what fufu is, fufu was trending on YouTube some days ago, or should I say some weeks ago. So this is what we use to eat fufu, or you can use gari or anything you want to just eat it. I use oat flour, sometimes I use wheat. The next here is afang soup. made with water leaf and okazi. So this is the egusi. So guys, this is how I prep my food for the week, or should I say for weeks. If I don't want to cook like every time, I prep them like this and I put them in a container and I store them in the freezer and then take them whenever I want to eat. So here I have my stew. Stew is very staple here in Nigeria. We use it to eat rice. Here guys, we have yam pepper soup. Okay, if you're Rivers, say hi. So this is yam and fish pepper soup, dried fish. You can use any dried fish of your choice. So I like to cook mine together. Let me know down in the comment section if you prepare your pepper soup separately from your yam, or you like to make it this way, because this is how I eat mine. So I just added scent leaf to it and uda. So if you know, I just put to bed. So this is really nice for me. I eat it Sunday mornings or sometimes Saturday mornings. It just helps your day. Sometimes I like to eat it pounded, just as you see, or sometimes I eat it the other way. I just cut the yam and eat with palm oil, but most times I eat it pounded. I'm the one eating the one pounded. My husband is the one eating it the other way, so he doesn't like the pounded. So for pounded, this is how we eat it in my place. I cut it like this. It's just like fufu and pounded yam, but in this case we add palm oil and I just make a deep hole in it and use it to fetch pepper soup. So my yam is acting like my spoon. So I really enjoy it that way. It makes me eat more if I do it that way than eating it with just oil. The next we have here is our gari. Say hi in the comment section if you are a gari lover like me. Guys, if the weather is hot and there is nothing for me to eat, this is my go-to food. I get my coconut or even my groundnut and I put gari. I put milk. Sometimes if I'm in the mood, I can add Milo, but most times I just prefer it with milk. So I just put dried milk, and I prefer dried milk, than powdered milk. I prefer it to the liquid milk. So I just added it, and sometimes I go in and add my honey because I don't take sugar. So yeah, when I'm done with my powdered milk, the next step is adding my honey. So I'm just adding my honey because I like my gari sweet. Then I go in and slice the coconut and add to the gari, and it comes out this way. Oh my god. And guys, I use chilled water for this. I can never take this with normal room temperature water. No way. I use my blocked water where I can see some ice or block in the gari, and I sip it. So we've come to the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, share till I see you in my next one. Bye.